Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we are Tuesday, January 8th, 2019. This is the second Tuesday of the month of January, and of course, second Tuesday of the month equals security updates for Windows. So yep, we are on the security updates now. So basically, today is Patch Tuesday. There's a lot of little security things that are actually fixed. Among them, there's updates for Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, the Windows App Platform and frameworks. So that framework has an update. The Windows Store has an update that fixes a bypass that was discovered a couple of months back. Windows kernel, Windows storage and file systems, Windows wireless networking, the Microsoft Jet database engine, Windows Linux subsystem, Windows virtualization, and the Microsoft scripting engine. So there's a lot of little problems that are fixed, or security updates that are fixed in here. One of the things that is also fixed is there's a fix for a repair of a corrupt extensible storage engine database. So there's a few things in there that are mostly working. There's also a fix for a vulnerability in the session isolation that affects PowerShell remote endpoints. So security updates, there's a Flash Player update, of course, that also is part of it. And these updates, of course, are available for Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and several Windows 10 versions. For the Windows 10 versions, here's the updates and where they are actually sending you today. So the Windows 10 cumulative updates that are available will push the 1709 version, or the fall creators update, to 16.299.904. There's the majority of you out there are on 17.134.523 now, which is version 1803, or the April 2018 update. So that is for the majority of you. That's pretty much the version you're running on Windows 10. And if you're on the latest version, 1809, the October 2018 update, you're on 17.763.253. So these are the updates. There's a lot of security stuff in here, so please don't hesitate to actually install these. It's very important to keep your system safe, and they are, of course, helping you in staying safe. There's still a lot of people that think that, oh well, there's no need for these updates, and there's viruses, and well, it's the other way around. I'm sorry. So there's a lot of little problems in here that are actually being fixed. So check it out and make sure that you update your systems today with the latest updates for security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.